Mo fẹ́ gba president wa àti gbogbo Nàìjíríà ní ìmọ̀ràn.
I want to give an advice to our president.
Ìmọ̀ràn ni o.
It's just an advice.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí president kó bọwọ́ lu láńsẹ̀nsì fún gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ká máa gba ìbọn.
Let the presidency sign a license that we can all own guns.
Ìyàwó wa kó gbà kọ́mọ gbà.
Our wives should get guns. Our children should get guns.
Tí gbogbo wa bá gba ìbọn.
So if we all have guns,
a ní rí èèyàn kan tó máa wá fi ìbọn halẹ̀ mọ́ ẹnìkan.
everybody will be able to comport themselves. Nobody can scare anybody.
Ká ó
again.
fún wa ní láńsẹ̀nsì ẹ̀.
The government should sign it as a bill.
Ìjẹ́ ta ló mọ̀ wípé Pétérù ó mú àdá ó mú sọ́wọ́.
Who knew that Peter had a sword on him?
Nígbà tí wọ́n mú Jésù
And
Kristi.
when Jesus was caught,
Ó yọ àdá jáde.
drew out his sword.
Ìmọ̀ràn kejì.
The second advice,
1914.
1914.
Àwọn bàbá wa yìí láti ilẹ̀ Haúsá, ilẹ̀ Ìgbò, ilẹ̀ Yorùbá.
Our forefathers from Hausa land, Igbo land, Yoruba
Wọ́n
land,
parapọ̀.
they came together.
À ń pè wọ́n ní Nàìjíríà.
We call them Nigeria.
Wọ́n sọwọ́ pọ̀ ni.
And it was an amalgamation.
Pẹ̀lú sùúrù
With ease
àti ìfẹ́,
and love,
òun náà fi darapọ̀.
they coined Nigeria.
Ṣùgbọ́n nísìnyí,
But now,
tó bá ti pé kò ṣeé ṣe mọ́,
if it is no longer working out,
ní sùúrù náà
with that peace
tàbí ìfẹ́,
and love,
láláì sí ìjà,
without fighting,
láláì tẹ̀jẹ̀ sílẹ̀,
without bloodshed,
ká tún fi yapa.
we can also go our separate ways.
Ká mẹ́ta tún fi yapa.
Those three can go their separate
Bóyá yẹn
ways.
ló máa jẹ́ kí orílẹ̀-èdè yìí dára.
Maybe this will make this country better.
Ìmọ̀ kẹta nìyí o.
And this is the third advice.
Ẹ̀yin Kírísítẹ́nì káàkiri,
Christians all over the world,
ẹ má jẹ́ kẹ́nìkan tàn yín jẹ o.
do not be deceived.
Matthew 8
Matthew chapter 8,
láti 1 to 4.
from verse 1
Ẹ
to
lọ
4.
kà á.
Go and read it.
Adẹ́tẹ̀ kan wá sẹ́dọ̀ Jésù.
A leper came to
Ó ní
Jesus.
tó bá fẹ́ ò lè mú mi lára
He
dá.
said, if you want, you can heal
Jésù ni
me.
mo fẹ́.
Jesus said, I want
Kára ẹ̀ yá.
for you to be
Ara ẹ̀ sì yá.
healed, and he was healed.
Jésù ni máa bá tiẹ̀
He
lọ.
said, go your way.
Má sọ fẹ́nikẹ́ni.
Tell no one
Òfin tí Mósè pa láṣẹ
that the law of Moses,
kò lọ ṣe.
go and do it.
Òfin wo ni Mósè pa láṣẹ fún àwọn adẹ́tẹ̀ tí ara wọn bá ti gba ìwòsàn?
What is the law of Moses? When a leper is made whole,
Ẹ lọ wádìí ẹ̀.
go and look for
Jésù
it.
náà ló ní kán lọ ṣe o.
Jesus told him to go and do it.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìjọ,
You members,
ẹ lọ ṣe. Ájò tó dáa ṣe.
yes, go and do something that can
Tó yẹ
protect
pé tó
you.
bá gbé ìbọn wọ ẹ̀dọ̀
So
yín,
that if they bring guns to come and
kán
hurt
kọjú
you,
ìbọn tira wọn.
let them face themselves.
Kí ìbọn ti ẹ̀yìn jò.
And let the gun shoot at them.
Tàbí kẹ́ rí oyin kẹ́ fi lé wọn.
Or you should find bees to
Tàbí
chase
tó bá
them.
ń bọ̀ ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yín,
Or if they are coming to your church,
kán ti kú kán tó dé
they
ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì
should
yín.
have died before they get to your church.
Ẹ lọ ṣe o.
Go and do it.
Ẹ jẹ́ sọ fún yín.
Let me tell you,
Àwọn ọmọ ìjọ tèmi o.
all my own members,
Tí bá dé àsìkò,
when it is
tí bá ní
time,
kán wá
if I say
ṣe,
they
tán
should
bá
not do it,
ṣe,
if they don't do it,
máa lé wọn.
I will send them
Tókè mi ò
away.
fẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ ìjọ tèmi kankan kú.
Because I don't want any of my members to die at the
Mi
end
ò
of
lè
this battle.
dira.
I cannot be fortified.
Káwọn ọmọ ìjọ mi má dira.
And my members will not be fortified.
Olùṣọ́ àgùntàn rere ni mí.
And I am a good shepherd.
Mi ò lè wò ó kán máa pa ọmọ ìjọ
I
mi.
cannot be looking at them to be killing my members.
Nígbà tó ń dé ìlú Ọ̀wọ̀,
When they got to
Church yẹn.
that church,
àwọn kan kégbe lórúkọ Jésù.
people shouted in the name of Jesus.
Jésù lágbára láti gbà wọ́n
Jesus
lẹ̀.
had the power to save them.
Ṣùgbọ́n
But
Jésù ní ó di ọ̀run.
Jesus said, until you get to heaven.
Ní Kaduna,
At
gbogbo
Kaduna,
church tán lọ rédíì
those
yẹn.
churches that they were raiding,
Àmọ̀yẹ àwọn tó pè lórúkọ
they
Jésù.
all called the name of Jesus.
Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ wọ́n
But
pa wọ́n.
even at that, they killed
Kí
them.
ló fà á?
Why?
Jésù ní ó di ọ̀run.
Jesus said, until you get to
Ẹ tó bá
heaven.
kú ni tiẹ̀ gbé o.
It is if you die, that is the end.
Ìwọ
for
tó
you.
bá mọ àjò tó dáa
If
ṣe,
you know what to do,
yọjú sí mi.
come and see me.
Mo ní ẹ̀ka ìjọ tó pọ̀.
I have a lot of branches.
Mo ní l'Amẹ́ríkà, ní London,
I have in
mo ní
America, I have
káàkiri,
in UK
ní
as well.
Nàìjíríà ń bí.
And even in Nigeria.
Mo pè é ṣàkíyèsí ni ẹ o.
I'm calling your attention to
Ọba
this.
sọ pé pásítọ̀ tó ń
If
ṣe
they
ọ̀rọ̀
like that,
ogun.
you say, look at that pastor.
Mi ò lágbára.
I don't have any
Ṣùgbọ́n
power.
tó bá là mí mọ́lẹ̀ máa gé ẹ jẹ.
But if you hit me on the ground, I will bite you.
Máa gé ẹ jẹ.
I know how to
Ọmọ
fight
ìjọ
you.
mi tí n bá ti sọ pé kó gbà kó lò ó.
Any of my members,
Tí ò bá ti lò ó, màá lé kó
if they
church.
don't use it, I will send them
Because
away.
mi ní jẹ́kẹ́ nìkan wọ church kó wá pa àwọn ọmọ mi
Because I will
lọ́wọ́.
not allow my members
Olùṣọ́
to
àgùntàn rere ni mí.
to kill my children.
Ẹ dira.
Go and be
Ẹ dira.
fortified. Go and be fortified.